Welcome to JJ Central's DIY channel. Today we're going to be talking about and seeing some toilet flange challenges. Okay, they come in different flavors. The first one you see there, offset flange, that really helps to move the toilet 3-4 inches on either sides or forward or something like that. Super useful in renovations. And then you see the other ones for repair flanges or cast iron. If your pipe is cast iron or PVC, you can use the closet spud and so on. So in this case, what I'm going to address is, what if the PVC pipe sticking out of the ground is not level right there? See, it's not level and it's crooked. The best flange to use for this particular purpose is the one that comes with a rubber gasket, just like this one. It's called the Twist and Set toilet. It comes in 4-inch and 3-inch flavors. It's a little expensive, but that's what I did here. You can kind of see it wasn't level, but twisting it, putting it in, and then anchoring it with screws perfectly sealed the matter. Now I can install the toilet without any issues. They are level, won't rock, and completely good to go. And that is how you do it with that flange. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe.